How to unbox and set up the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4301 through 4303 printer series. First, open the box. Then remove the small box containing the printer accessories. Open the small box and remove the USB cord if one is included. Remove the power cord and the setup guide. Carefully place the box on its side. Then slide the printer out from the box. With the printer upright, remove the two styrofoam end caps. Remove the printer from the bag. Remove the orange tape and clear protective shields from the top, sides, and front of the printer. Open the scanner lid and remove the protective shield from the scanner. Then, close the scanner lid. Flip the control panel up and remove the packaging material from below it. Plug the power cord into the rear of the printer and then plug the other end into a power source. Note, HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn the printer on. If you are planning on connecting the printer using an Ethernet connection, you can do so at this time. Note, this video will proceed with the wireless setup process. If you are connecting with an Ethernet cord, not all steps will pertain to you. With the printer turned on, select your language from the list. Then select Confirm. Select your country or region. Before selecting your connection method, load paper into the printer. Slide the paper tray out of the printer. Adjust the paper guides to their outermost position. Place a stack of plain paper in the tray. Adjust the paper guides until they rest on the edges of the paper stack. Then, insert the paper tray back into the printer. From the control panel, select your connection method. For Wi-Fi setup, select the name of your wireless network. Enter the network password and select Submit. Select OK to confirm the settings. The printer connects to the network. Once the connection is successful, select Continue. To set up proxy settings, select Set Up. To skip past this section, select Skip. To check for firmware updates, select Continue. After the printer checks for updates, read the section about automatic updates. Important: you must scroll all the way down to advance to the next screen. Select Next. Select your preferred method for checking for updates. HP recommends enabling Auto Update to automatically update the printer. Select Save. Set the date and time and select Continue. The control panel printer setup is now complete. To change your printer PIN code, select Edit PIN. To move on to the next step, select Continue. Printer color calibration begins. Once the calibration is complete, select OK. To download and install printer software, turn to your computer for the remaining steps. Note, you must set up the printer with a PC. You cannot set up your printer with a mobile device such as a smartphone or tablet. On your computer, go to hpsmart.com/download. Enter your printer model and select it from the drop-down list. Then select Next. Select Download to download the HP Easy Start software. Once it has downloaded, open the file. Select Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. Select Continue. Select Yes or No on the Share Data screen. Once the printer is found, select Continue. Read through, check the box, and accept the terms and conditions for the software. On the Application Analytics screen, read through and select Yes or No Thanks to proceed. If you would like to install the optional scan and fax software at this time, check the boxes and select Continue. Once the software has installed, select Finished. Once setup is complete, select Finish. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.